so long, bro.
National Weather Service
SVR.
New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Houghton County in northwestern New Jersey, northeastern Mercer County, Somerset County, central Monmouth County, Middlesex County, and Toledo.
Let's go finally.
At 7:59 p.m. until
Guys, we got an SVR. Let's go. SVR. Finally, bruh. Let's go.
Bridgewater, South Brunswick, Sayreville, North
Finally, bruh.
Manalapan, Middlesex,
Haven't gotten a single SVR after so long, bruh.
Jamesburg, Flemington, and Cranberry.
Jesus, Lord.
This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 9 and 12. Interstate 70
Bro, why
in
did
New
that
Jersey
take so
between
long?
mile markers 14 and 33. Interstate 287 in New Jersey between mile markers 0
Finally.
and 22. Garden State Parkway between mile markers 117 and 131. For your protection, move to an interior room
That
on
took
the lowest
forever.
floor of a building. You are listening to Noah's All Hazards Radio, station KW035 in New York City.